Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So another weekend again, we're gonna unbox this box today. Alright guys, unbox na naman tayo. Happy weekend wherever part of the world you live at. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. So this is my package. So let's unbox it, guys. It was separated. Kasama to nung Converse shoes. So this was um, another package from Converse. So I ordered it together with my, the shoes that I made the video on Converse shoes. And they sent that first, and then they sent maybe within 2 days or 3 days apart. So that's why I did not do the full um, video on it. So I only did the shoe video. So I ordered this again at converse.com. So I don't know if it's still available because this was again on sale. And yeah, so this one is a, I forgot if this is a t-shirt or a long sleeve. Oh, this is a t-shirt. There you go. I bought two. So Converse collab with Snoopy, and this is small. This is the only available size, guys. So this is the t-shirt, and then I order another one. So this one, I think this is the long sleeve shirt. So Snoopy, and then there's the Snoopy character here. And so let's open the t-shirt first. So I don't know if this one's gonna fit me kasi this is so very small. Maliit siya, guys. So I'm gonna look like a burrito when I wear this. Or a suman. So ito yung t-shirt, guys. Is white, plain white. And I like the design because it has the Converse shoes right there. And Chuck, is his name Chuck? This one, the guy. And then I forgot this girl's name. And then ayan yung shoe niya. May shoe logo. I mean picture, shoe picture ng Converse, and it's yellow. It looks, the yellow design, the yellow color sa shoes ng Converse looks good, guys. Look. Right? Maybe I'm gonna try to buy another Converse shoes in yellow. So this is the t-shirt, and I like the tag. Look at the tag. It's like a comic strip, right? See? And originally it was $30 right there, guys. And I think I bought it for 50% off, so um, only $15 for this one. So that's it's small Snoopy, and this one maybe it can also be for female or something. So yeah, and this is the t-shirt ng Snoopy, small size. And now we're gonna open this one. This one is a long sleeve shirt. Malamig pa rin dito sa California, guys. It's still cold in California. So let me check this out. Oh my OMG, this is so cool. So let me see. So this is a small shirt. Long sleeve $60. And again, it was on sale. I forgot the price, guys. And it says here peanuts right there, Peanuts, and all the characters. I think all the characters are here except for the bald kid. So I think these are all the characters um, on Snoopy cartoon. And then, oh, nandito pala siya. He's in the front of the shirt, guys. So there you go. So this is small. And what else? Chuck. Oh, I think they're looking for Chuck. This is Chuck. I think. Actually, I don't know. I only know Snoopy, the dog. So it just looks cool. That's why I bought it, guys. So ayan yung mga character. And it's small. I don't know if it's gonna fit me. Let me try it on, guys. Alright, guys. So this is the t-shirt. I I cannot breathe. Hindi ako makahinga, guys, because it's super masikip, super tight. And I don't even want to stand, guys. This is so embarrassing. So this is gonna be my will encourage me to lose weight because I am like, look at that. All right, guys. So this is the other one, and it's tight too as well. Pero okay lang siya yung sa arm. Arm is okay. It's just look at that. I think this one is okay. I just don't have to breathe. Yung stomach ko makikita. So yeah. There you go. Says your Peanuts. And then the characters are here. I think they're running around chasing for this guy. Is this guy named Chuck, I think? Or the bird? So this is the bird, Snoopy. And then he is running. I think they're chasing him or something. Because this girl said Chuck. I think his name is Chuck. I don't know. So anyway, so that will be my unboxing video today. So you can go converse.com. So I don't know if it's still available. I don't know. You can see my shoes right there, the peanut Converse shoes. So hopefully you guys watch that video too as well. So yeah. So yep. So this is gonna be my motivation to lose weight, guys. So enable for me to fit this, I need to lose weight. So yeah. So anyways, thank you for watching this video, and you guys have a good weekend, and thank you for subscribing. Bye.